pile of pieces, unfinished, unworthy. But I see potential. I see purpose. When you place your life in my hands, I begin the work, sanding down what's rough, restoring what's broken, aligning every piece for the road ahead.
Every build takes time, every test refines, but when it's ready, it runs with power and purpose.